So today I'm going to talk about how to change your name on your page on Facebook. Hi guys, my name is Mark Barner from MacGeni.com or MacGeni.dk. We fix and help people with computers and IT and social media and so on. I also have a company called Barner Design, and because of that I also do a lot of marketing, meaning that I help people post things online with their website, building graphic designs, identities, and so forth. So today I'm going to talk about how to change your name on your page on Facebook. And the reason why I'm doing this video is because I spent a long time finding out. When I say a long time, I spend at least 1.5 hours, maybe 2 hours. So I'm going to save you that time. So you got to understand that Facebook moved things around here in 2022, especially here around October, with the whole meta thing that they're doing. They're definitely changing up how things work and where you change everything. So now when you're logged into your page, you can see also you have an icon up here stating that this is the page you're on. My actual profile is here. So when I'm on this page, I'm actually acting as I am this company. And this is a Christmas tree sales page and some gift shops. This is my nephews and niece. And so they're doing this Christmas thing where they sell Christmas trees this winter and this December and the end of November. But they want to change it. As you can see, the logo says Barner's Yule, which is Christmas trees underneath. It used to be called Prince Frederick's Christmas trees because that was the street they used to sell the trees on. So they want to change this. So I'm gonna tell you really quick. This page that's called business.facebook.com cannot help you in any aspect, doesn't have any settings and so forth that you can change these things. Even if you find something called settings in here somewhere, page settings, I haven't been able to find anything. Well, that actually gave me the direct link to it. So I guess on the computer it's fine. I looked at it on my iPhone, hoping I could just change it there without going to the computer. But now I'm on the computer, you can see I went directly there. So that's good. I learned something during this video as well. So if you want to change anything, go to business.facebook.com and let's just do it from the beginning so you just understand what's going on. And usually they would give you an overview of all your pages here, especially if you go from facebook.com. Here's the guide that I actually found trying to explain it, but that didn't work. This one down here worked better. My process would be going to, let me see, Facebook in general, and just looking up here. I'm already logged in, but I was actually on this page before, which was my own profile. And so I clicked that and I went to settings and privacy here, and I went to settings as well here. And then I came into this page, and that is my actual page. So when I change this up here to another of my many profiles that I'm administrating, I can actually see this is where you actually do it. But as we just saw, you can go to Meta, you can click tools, the bars, the burger menu down here. When you go to business.facebook.com, you can click all tools, or this is translated to all tools, and there's something called page settings. You can see this a little icon in front of it, and when I click that, I'll go directly to where it is. Right now I'm going to change this to let me see here, Barner, and I'll go like, I think the logo is called Juletræ. Let's just see here. Yeah, Barner's Juletræ. And that is definitely just because we want to, oh, maybe it's not on that page. We want us to use this also as some kind of SEO. So people search for Juletræ, which is Christmas trees or pine trees. And I want them to find this page. Let me just check. Did it say, it just says Juletræ. And I can actually go Juletræ. I don't know if I should do like Juletræ set. Well, that's not supposed to be something that you should get into, but This is where you change it and you save it here. Remember to always also change your username. This is going to be a Barnes Jewel, like Barnes, Barnes Christmas, right? So that's the link I'm going to change here. So basically, that is it. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe, because I'm going to make so many more of these videos. I sometimes do it in Danish too, but that's still going to help you because there's subtitles, so you can actually just follow my guide. And I hope you enjoyed it. And if you think someone else needs it, send it to them, because I think the way that Facebook explained this wasn't exactly understandable. I think in general, the usability of LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, all that, it's like they're hiding menus away instead of just putting in one long view. I don't understand their logic, and I've been doing IT for, I don't know, 20 years or so. I mean, I'm very much into logic. So anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.